Alright, my people, Dancehall skilla there. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Alright, so I see more than one video circulating on social media that shows a person who goes by the name of Andre Stevens saying some things about the Prime Minister of Jamaica who goes by the name of Andrew Holness and other politicians within the country of Jamaica. See? And to my understanding, that video that I saw went viral on social media. Please bear in mind that I saw more than one videos that shows the same person talking about the politicians within the country of Jamaica. And I get the understanding that a lot of persons on social media was interested to hear the things that he had to say. For a certain reason, I'm not sure, but I can speculate. Yes, me answer my people. Now, here's the thing now. See, we see the same person in a video while he was doing a interview on CVM TV program that is known as Sunrise. Yeah, me see the same person in a video, and that video shows when the person was doing an interview on CVM TV during a program that is known as Sunrise. The video also shows the host of the program. And my people, the man says some things passionate about the politicians within the country of Jamaica during that interview. Yeah, passionate, that's what me call it. I don't know how else to put it. See? Yeah, that man seems passionate. But my people, me just make you know what I go and make you know about that person. Some people might say that person in at least one video or more than one videos, and at the same time they don't know who the person be. So if you don't know, well, according to information that I got, they said that he goes by the name of Andre Stevens. So some people, him say some really heavy things about politicians here. Alright, so I'm gonna move on to another topic of viewers and subscribers. You can tell me what to think about the things that man said, is it? Alright, now, my people, I got information about a double murder that happened within Westmoreland, Jamaica on the 4th of January, the year 2022. It is said that those two persons who died are brothers. And according to this news article, it is said that one of them died on his birthday. You see me, some people? It is said that the man who goes by the name of Dervin Jones was shot and killed on his birthday. And the other brother who died goes by the name of Sheldon Jones. See me, some people? It is said that they had been shot and killed sometime after 12 a.m. on the 4th of January, the year 2022. See? Now, according to one family member, it is said that relatives who was at that premises didn't even realize that shot had been fired in their yard. I assume that they might have heard explosions, but they might have thought that it was clappers or firecrackers, as how some persons call it. Yes, my people. It wasn't until sometime after 5 a.m. on that same day they realized or discovered the bodies of those two brothers. See? And according to a family member, it is said that one of those brothers was in the Cayman Islands. See, the same family member said that their mother died sometime last year, the year 2021, and was buried sometime within September, the year 2021. See, so it is said that the brother who was in Cayman Islands came to Jamaica sometime within December the year 2021, so he was not able to make it to his mother's funeral because of certain reasons. I don't know, so maybe a COVID-19 caused that, we're sure. You understand? And at the same time now, the person came to Jamaica and this is what happened, isn't it? So the person who goes by the name of Dervin Jones is said to be 43-year-old, and the other deceased, who goes by the name of Sheldon Jones, is said to be 41-year-old. Both brothers had been shot and killed at a district within Petersfield, Westmoreland, Jamaica on the 4th of January, the year 2022. And that's according to information that I got in the people. So may I say? Yeah, it is said that they were in the yard drinking or hanging out with each other, and they had been shot and killed by unknown assailants or assailant. See, it is said that they had been ambushed. As I said, but people, and the thing about it is, it's not really clear if both brothers had been shot and killed by one or more than one persons. No, it's not really clear. You see me? But me just make you know what go on, my people. You see me I say? It's sad. It's really sad. It is said that when family members discovered the bodies of the two brothers, they called the police, and the police come and then process the scene of the double murder. But really sad, people. Really sad. You know what I mean? So, me just go move on to another topic, my people. Just to make you know what go on when it comes on to that incident, alright? So, a man was shot and killed in Rivali, Spanish town, St. Catherine, Jamaica today. That's the 5th of January, the year 2022. See? Yeah, a man who only had been identified as Shaba was shot and killed in Rivali, Spanish town, St. Catherine this morning. Yeah, it is said that sometime after 10 a.m., residents within that community heard explosions and the police were summoned, and the man was found laying in a pool of blood or laying on the ground. Yes, I'm asking people. There's not much details when it comes on to that incident, but me just make you know what go on. Alright, so I'm going to move on to another topic now, my people. Yeah, this is our next topic now. Our next topic. So this man now, who had been suspected or accused of using a homemade gun to carry out a gun salute on New Year's Day, had been arrested and charged by the police within the country of Jamaica. It is said that the man had been arrested and charged under the Firearms Act within the country of Jamaica. See? Now, it is said that the man is 20 years old. It is said that the man goes by the last name of Brown. See? And it is said that the person is from Nagohead, St. Catherine, Jamaica. See? Alright, so it is said that he had been arrested and charged with illegal possession of firearm and ammunition. See? And here's the thing now, people, because I wonder how him get catch, according to information I get. So, I got information that sometime after 12 a.m., so most likely that on the New Year's Day, January 1st, the year 2022, right? Lawmen were patrolling the community when they heard explosions. It is said that the team went to investigate, and Brown was seen with a homemade gun, and he was arrested and charged by the police within the country of Jamaica, and the weapon was found in his waistband, loaded with one 12-gauge cartridge. Homemade gun, people. Homemade gun, people. Like for real, homemade gun. Homemade gun. Well, gun, I guess. You see me, once it can fire and it can hurt somebody, I guess it is dangerous same way. Yeah, it is dangerous. You see me, I say? My people, just to make you know about some things that happen in the country of Jamaica. Right, yes, I'm going to left it now. So, big up and respect to each and every one. My name is Dancehall skilla. I want to big up on yourself, you see it?